Hello students, today in the last class of this week I will show you more of the two elements, exercise 14D and exercise 14E. Clear? Here three quadrilaterals are there construction, here also three constructions are there. Now from 14D one number I am showing where you have to construct quadrilateral with three sides and two included angles. That means here you see in this question these three sides are given and these two angles have given. Clear? Now first you have to consider the baseline. Now in this type of quadrilateral what you will do? You will consider that line segment as the baseline where the endpoints are with angle. Clear or not? Here angle C and angle D is given to you in on CD line segment. So CD you consider as the baseline. Now CD it is given 5 centimeter. So you consider CD as the baseline. Five centimeter. Now you construct angles. Angle C 120 degree. C is the center. So place your protector over here. 120 degree is obtuse angle. It is more than 90. So you consider from this side 0. So 120 degree is here. Clear? 0 from 120 degree is here. And you construct angle D. D is at this point center. Clear? So you consider 0 from this side. Angle D is 75 degree. So 75 degree is less than 90 degree. It is an acute angle. Clear? It is 75 degree. Now after that you join the points. After joining the points, mark it as X and Y. Clear? Now more two line segments are left, AB and DA. AB if you consider you have not got yet A and B point. So AB arc you cannot draw. DA you can draw. So DA means with D as the center you can draw 3.5 centimeter. So take the measurement 3.5 centimeter and with D as the center cut an arc from DY. Clear? After drawing this arc you have got this intersection point as A. Now you have got point A. Now you can construct this line segment AB 6 centimeter. So with A as the center and with measurement 6 centimeter from with A as the center 6 centimeter measurement cut an arc from CX. After that you have got this intersection point as B. Clear? Now join the points. Clear? Have you seen? The angle has constructed. So now you write down the measurement 120 degree. It is 75 degree. Then angle side AB is 6 centimeter. CD you have written 5 centimeter. Clear or not? So have you seen how have you constructed the angle? After that you will write down the steps of construction. Clear? So with three sides and two included angle, how will you construct the angle? Have you understood, students? So more two are there in your exercise. 2 number and 3 number, that one you will construct according to this way. Clear or not? And steps of construction you will write stepwise in which way you have drawn. Clear? Now one from 14E where the element is two adjacent sides and three angles. Clear? Now here two adjacent sides and three angles. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB 5.8 centimeter, BC is 4.2 centimeter. Clear or not? Angle A 70 degree, angle B 110 and angle C 105. Here, out of these two line segment, any one line segment you consider as the baseline, because in both the line segment end points are in the end point there are angles. Got it? So consider any one baseline as baseline. So I am considering here AB. AB is 5.8. Clear? After considering AB 5.8, now what you will do? You construct two angles, angle A and angle B, 70 degree, and angle B is 110 degree. Clear? So angle A 70, you consider from 0 from this side. It is acute angle less than 90 degree, and angle B 110 degree. So center is here 110. You will consider 0 from this side. 110 is more than 90. So here is 110. After that you join the points. So this is X and this is Y. Clear? Now you construct another line segment BC 4.2. One more angle is left, angle C, but angle C you have not got yet. Until and unless you construct this arc, in this line segment, you won't be able to construct this angle. So BC is 4.2. So take the measurement BC 4.2 with B as the center. Cut the arc 4.2. So you have got C point. Now with this C as point as the center, you will construct angle 105. Now take your copy in this way. Place your protector here at C point. Clear? This is the center, so you will consider 0 from this side. 105. 105 is, it is 100. 105 is here. Clear? 105 is here. Now this point and this point you join. Clear? Now you have not got D. Clear or not? So what you will do? This line you extend. Clear? After extending the line, this point you have got D. So now you write X here. Have you seen? Students, have you seen how you have got? So it is 105 degree. It is 70 degree. And it is 110. Now if you measure angle D, you will see sum of the four angles will be 360 degree. After that you will write down the steps of construction as before. How you will construct, same way you will write down the steps. Clear or not, students? Have you understood how to draw construct angle with two adjacent sides and three angles? First you will draw a baseline, then two angles you will construct at first. After that you will draw another line segment, then with that intersecting point you will construct another angle. Got it? So these are the two construction with two more elements. Clear? In the book the rest two are there, here also two are there, here also two are there. That all you will complete in your classwork copy. Now in the next week I will start with the special types of construction. Clear? So this thing should be clear to you. I think all of you have understood. So do practice, students, and everything in your copy should be in systematic way. All the construction. Clear? Thank you.